What's good, y'all? I am back and I'm here to teach y'all how to make some smooth edits in Capcut. So first things first, this video is not for beginners. So if you are a beginner, please click the card that pops up at the top right corner. Okay, let's get right back into the video. Now, there's obviously a reason why you clicked on this video, and that's because you want to create some smooth edits. First thing you need is to learn keyframes and how the graphs work. If you want to create smooth edits, you have to know these two things. I'm gonna break the graphs up into 3 sections: in, out, and intermediate graphs. Now, if you don't understand, I'm gonna explain. An in graph is when the object that you want to come onto the screen goes fast and slows down, and this is how the graph looks. Next, we have the out graph. An out graph is when the object that you want to go off the screen starts slow, then speeds up. This is how that graph looks. And last but not least, the intermediate graph. An intermediate graph is when an object that's on the screen goes from one spot to the other spot. This is how that graph looks. If you know these 3 graphs, you're halfway there to making a smooth edit. Now obviously, you don't just add graphs to everything and call it a smooth edit. You have to plan out everything. You have to know when and where to put the graphs and keyframes and make the edit as smooth as possible. Here's a little bonus tip. When you're done editing, export the project. Open it in a new project, click motion blur, make blur 35 and blend 50, and keep the rest of the settings the same. When it's done applying, export. Hope you all liked the video and know how to make smooth edits. Peace.